2024, 2025 Mazda XC70, XC90 key fob here. If you want to open it up to replace the battery, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you look at the key fob, it has a panel on this side and a panel on this side that both come off. We're going to be taking the one off that has the emblem on it, okay? All you got to do is get yourself a small flathead screwdriver, put it down into the corner of it like this, all right? Just the very end of it, and just give this a twist. You can hear it kind of crack open like that. Do it to the other side over here. All right, work your way up and just lift this panel right off, okay? Now if we look right here, we're taking this off right here, okay? This is actually the size of the battery. It's been printed on this little cap. Put the screwdriver in this corner here, give it a twist. Take this off. And here's our battery here. Just a little slot right here to allow us to pull the battery right out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in here like this. Push it in like that, it'll lock in there. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link down there. It takes you to Amazon. Get your battery pretty quick if you need one. It's going to be the correct size too. We get our cap. This cap just goes right back on the way we took it off. It should click on here. Now if we look at this back panel, it has a piece of plastic that sticks out of it in this one corner here, okay? And it fits into this hole here, so that's what you're looking for here. Okay, so you're looking for the right side up, corner, put it on here, sort of the top, work your way down, and you're good to go. Well, the video was quick and straight to the point. I hope you'd hit the like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another video.